We've all had that sinking feeling when an employee tells us that they've lost their company laptop or mobile. It happens all the time. According to Transport for London, 2 laptops are left on the tube every day, not to mention dozens of phones. The loss of company equipment is not only inconvenient and expensive, it also presents a security risk. There are a few key questions you need to ask yourself. Has everything been backed up? Can anyone access the data? What would happen if the data was stolen? Answering these questions now is the best way to prepare for the inevitable loss of equipment now and again. Get in touch today for a strategic review of your data security, and we'll make sure you're prepared for anything.